magpaganda dahil sisimba tayo. Hello guys! Welcome to my beauty vlog. So in today's video, I will show you guys how to achieve a dark lips for dark skin. Dahil ang weather ay lumalamig na, so kailangan natin i-warm ang ating makeup para sa cold weather. So in today's video guys, I will show you how to apply lip products using 4 products sa lips. So first off, kumuha kayo ng lip balm at 2 tone of lip products, light shade and dark shade. So mag lip balm muna tayo para hydrated or moisturize ang ating lips, and then grab the lighter shade of your lipstick or liquid lipstick. You just line your lips and then grab the darker shade and then apply the dark shade on the center of your lips. Center lang. And then you need to blend this using with your fingers. So tap around it to even out the products. But wait, there's more. Grab a lip gloss and apply it on the center of your lips like so and smudge it. Having a two-tone kind of lips is like mainit pa pero palamig na ang panahon. Alright, that's it for this beauty tip video. Please comment down below what do you want to see next. Alright, hanggang dito na lang at kita-kits tayo next time. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye!